Next stop, Mexico.
Look at all the sea lions waiting for us here in Ensenada.
Não sei se tá dando pra ouvir, mas acho que se eu abrir aqui vai dar pra ouvir melhor. Olha quanta foca. Leão, eu acho que são leões marinhos. Olha. E o que o nosso guia turístico falou é que esses leões marinhos, eles vêm lá da região do Alasca para poder ter os filhotes dele aqui. Tá vendo andando ali?
Now let's get closer to these barking sea lions.
A turma toda junta.
Yeah. So we just got off the cruise ship, just getting off the cruise ship here. Right in front, there's this depot where they have all the tours that you can go to, all the tours that you can go on to explore Baja California, specifically Ensenada, Mexico. So we're about to get on one very special tour in just a moment. We're gonna have a lot of fun for sure. But first, remember you can join the Joko family for free. Just hit that like button and subscribe.
Everyone knows El Guapo? Do you know El Guapo? No?
This one
No,
here.
he's not El Guapo. I'm El Guapo. El Guapo means the handsome one. Okay? That's how everyone knows me here in Ensenada. El Guapo. Can you say buenos dias to our bus driver Ernesto?
Buenos días amigos, bienvenidos a Ensenada.
You see, hey, Ernesto, he's one of the best tour guides, bus drivers we got. If not the best, he's so good that he already drank a bottle of tequila. That good. Ladies and gentlemen, City Highlight Tour, woo! Woo! This is a 4-hour tour more or less on traffic. Today you have a little bit of everything. Why? Because we have plenty of stuff. Entiendo un poquito, bueno, bastante.
Yeah.
Sí que se parecen, ¿verdad?
Tienen, un
Sí.
parecido. No totalmente, pero sí, algunas palabras. Hay una comida que amo de Brasil, que son las bolas de queso.
Cajun.
Ay, sí, lo mejor
It
de,
is
lo
delicious.
mejor de la vida. They started building this place in 1928, and they opened it in the Halloween nights of 1930 as a hotel and casino. Okay, the original name is Riviera del Pacifico, or Hotel Riviera of the Pacific. Right now, the name is just El Riviera. Right
O
now,
prédio estava fechado por muito tempo, que ele falou. E foi só em 1995 que o governo federal deu as chaves, por assim dizer, à cidade, e a população investiu dinheiro e vieram aqui reformar. Então hoje é um ponto turístico.
Ensenada is the largest county of Mexico and the largest county of the world. Over 52,000 square kilometers.
Wow.
The biggest concentration of the great white shark right here in Ensenada of the Pacific Ocean. We have this, the migration of the great whale that comes from the month of November to March to mate and have their babies here in Ensenada. They come all the way from Alaska to Mexico to mate and have their babies.
Rumor has it, this Spanish-style former casino used to be one of Al Capone's stomping grounds. He may have even left some secret tunnels here. Fun fact, in 1948, the margarita was invented right here at Bar Andalus.
The drink that he made for her in 1948. First, with this drink, we're gonna get syrup. Okay, water with sugar. You can do this at your house, or you can buy this at Costco. 1 ounce. Next, we're gonna use 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. It's this green one right here, not the big lemon one. Fresh lime juice, 1 ounce too. Next, we're gonna use 1 ounce of fresh orange called Capone. You can buy this at Costco too. Costco, please sponsor me. The last but not least, we're going to use 1 ounce of any tequila you like. 1 ounce too. But you know, a real Mexican will never say 1 ounce is enough.
Oh!
We're going to close it up. Start getting it real good.
Woohoo!
Once everything's going like this, we're going to get a beautiful glass and we're going to pour it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Andalus, where La Margarita was born in August 21st, 1948. You can clap now. Today, we're going to have tasting of Mexican Coke. This should between a Mexican Coke, a Mexican beer called Tecate, made here in the States, or an authentic Margarita. Enjoy your drink. We're going to leave in 10 minutes. 10 minutes, we're going to depart. Enjoy all the drink.
Vai entrar em uma das passagens secretas aí?
Yes, I'll go find one of the tunnels, one of Al Capone's tunnels here.
Is it good?
It's good, right? Nice and cold. Refreshing.
Do you feel that it's different from those that they sell in the US?
I mean, there's a touch of the orange liqueur that they have here. I don't think I've ever had it with that. It's different, yeah. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, so let's head out to try the wine at Bodega Santo Tomas. La fromagerie.
Essa é a terceira maior, a mais antiga companhia de vinho aqui do México, não é isso que ele
A
falou?
terceira mais velha, yep. The third oldest winery in Mexico.
Hello everyone.
Hello, buenos días.
Yes. Closer, don't worry, I don't buy. Perfect. For the first, my name is Leonardo Bueno. I'm going to introduce you to the wine tasting from Bodega Santo Tomas. Bodega Santo Tomas was founded in the 1888, and behind me, this is a picture from the principal valley where we produce all the wine. So, we're gonna try 3 wines, but for first, who knows what is a young wine? Means that a wine who doesn't have barrels. So the process is only in stainless barrels and then put in a bottle. So we're gonna try 3 young wines, and we're gonna start from the white wine, which is a French Colombard from the 2020. Okay? And I'm gonna ask you what flavors you can find, what smell you can find, and anything. And if you wanna say something, I wanna give you a prize. Very easy to drink. It's like wine for any occasion, with your friends, with your family, even with your sons. This is a very light sweet wine. So, who says first?
Yeah, do this.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Anyone can tell me what you can find?
Ooh, you're gonna have to get the baby.
The flavors are very familiar for us.
A little bit.
A little bit. Oh.
Ooh, that's strong. Ooh, I like it.
Are you ready for your last wine? Almost. Yeah, perfect. Almost. Perfect. Almost. Wait a little bit. When you're ready, okay?
Meu amor ainda está aí, todo mundo já tá lá, ó. E meu amor ainda está aqui. Ó, vou botar os queijos ali dentro, ó, pra você não pegar mais, ó. Os queijos, o pãozinho e o azeite, ó. Deixar você ali dentro.
It's delicious. That's so good.
So this one is the strongest, the last one, and this one is the one that you normally cook with. So you have all these
So it goes
between.
from weakest to strongest.
I tried Vietnamese food.
Let's go down to the wine cellar. Come on.
Oh, be careful. Fica aqui do lado para ver quão grande é.
Look how big that is.
It's big.
And now all the wine that is there is a reserve of the owner. It's the owner.
This is really cool.
This place was closed for years. For years, no one came here. It was abandoned. When they opened, they found all this treasure. It was just incredible. That's amazing.
Very nice.
This is.
There's secrets to Ensenada that I'm not allowed to know.
They found this here. Didn't know this was
really?
here. Yeah.
They didn't know?
No.
And it was so good. And I ate, and it would never finish.
Acabou! Te encontrei de novo!
You know where to find me.
Aqui já tem falando, ó. Ruta de evacuação. E você continua aqui. É pra lá. Tá. Presentinho. 130 anos. Santo Tomás.
130 years. We're going to have some fish tostadas now.
Oh, fish tostada.
Oh, yeah. Ceviche.
Oh, it's funny, my family is supposed to be on this trip. I'm not even kidding. Oh no, you got competition.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Is it good? Okay. Delicious.
Oh, lemon.
Y ahí se sentó.
Lembra da pimenta lambão, do molho lambão de São Gonçalo? Vamos ver se esse daí é mais picante do que o molho lambão de São Gonçalo. Vamos lá, se prepare. Preparou? Aposto? E aí? Tá gostoso? Tá picante?
Bem, yeah. It gets spicier and spicier. That's good.
Nice.
Tasty.
Você acha que eu ia aguentar? Que eu aguentaria? Ou estaria muito picante pra mim?
But you pop.
Um pouquinho?
A little bit. It'll be good.
Você bota só um pouquinho pra mim? Só um pouquinho no ladinho assim, só pra eu provar. Esse daí tá muito, não? Um pouquinho. É aqui no cantinho.
Tá picante? Poquito apimentado. Too much?
Não é too much, mas tá bom.
Approved? But now, it's my favorite time. Fish taco time. It's super crispy. Look at this.
Just like that.
My goodness.
Right. See,
Is there a big difference between different ships?
it is.
Oh, really?
It is.
Is it good?
See, that's
It's so
the
good.
thing for me is
And super
when
hot.
they
Just came out of the fryer.
Oh no, it's clean. It's clean.
Now it's time to leave the fish behind and satisfy our sweet tooth.
It feels like white chocolate.
Yeah, but it's coconut.
This is spicy.
Wow,
That's
very
super
creamy
smooth.
and
Yeah.
creamy.
Oh, really good. I don't normally like coconut, but that was delicious.
E aqui tem, tipo que a gente tem lá em São Gonçalo, né? Um licor, licor de guanábana. Você lembra como é guanábana em português, amor?
Guayaba.
Pinha. E aqui deve ser o que? De doce de leite? Doce de leite.
This one has tequila.
I can feel the tequila.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Off the top rope.
Gracias.
You don't like candies?
Oh, I ate a bunch.
Wow, the one with tequila is really good.
Spicy one?
Yeah, I tried one of them.
Wow.
From Pope.
I think I'll get the one
Yeah,
with
the tequila one's
tequila.
pretty good.
¿Y qué sabor es ese?
Este es el tradicional.
¿Tradicional? Gracias.
Cappuccino.
Por eso yo le sentí sabor como que a café. Like this video? Want more like it? Then tap the thanks icon and you can contribute any amount your heart desires. And turn on your notifications to not miss our next episode in our Baja Mexico Cruise series.